This is Precious, our Indian ringneck parrot. He was rescued from a playground. My son was playing and he wouldn't leave him alone, and he just kept flying back to him. And then after he brought him home, we realized he was a baby. And we're learning as we go. And we definitely love him. He's definitely part of the family. They're a lot of work, but they give a lot of love if you love them and give them a lot of attention. He sleeps in the cage and takes a nap in the afternoon, and then he flies around the house, and I leave the door open so he can fly out on the patio. But we're in Florida, so it's about 80 degrees today, so he's enjoying it. It's a little windy. I don't know what's going on. Here's the wind. You're a good bird. You are. You are. Uh-oh. I had to put tape over all the furniture because he just picks and picks and picks. Yes, all the bird toys you have, and you like the chairs the best. You do. You do. What you doing? What you doing? What are you doing? Hey, Coco. Hey, Coco. Hey, Coco. Hi, Coco. Hey, Coco. What you doing? Hey, Coco. Yeah, hey, Coco. You're so cute. Never thought I would have a pet bird. Yeah, we love you. Yeah, we do. We're doing our best to take care of you. Yeah. We love you. Hey, Coco. I see you. Where's your apple? Where's your apple? I hear Lucky. I wonder what he's barking at. You gonna say anything else? Did you eat your peanut? He loves bananas. You want some bananas? I know, I have to go get more. I know you're outside. You're big stuff. Yeah, you're big stuff. I love you. I love you. I love you. Yeah, I do. I'm recording you because you're so handsome. I know, handsome. Thanks for watching, everybody.